Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this little cream egg, and I'll put the link in the description for the little pink bunny, and I'll show you how to make the bunting at the end of the video. So all you need is yarn in any colour, a 3.5mm hook, crochet needle and some scissors. Okay, to start you make a slip knot. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and then in this first one you made you want to put 10 half double crochets. So yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, oops, 10. Okay, pull your tail tight, and then you want to slip stitch to the first half double crochet. Right, chain 2, and then you want to increase from 10 around to 20, so you want to add 2 half double crochets to each stitch. So count the chain 2 as 1, and 2 in the same one. 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and that is the slip stitch you made, so just ignore that. Okay, so slip stitch into the top of that chain 2, right, and now this is the last row, so chain 2, 1, 2. Okay, so we count this chain 2 as a first stitch, and then in the next stitch you want to do 2 half double crochets. So 1, 2. For the next stitch you just want 1 half double crochet, and in the next one 2. 1, 2. So you repeat that pattern, so 1 half double crochet, 2 in the next, 1 half double crochet, 2 in the next. You repeat that until you have 18 in total. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, the same stitch, 10, 11, and 12 in the same stitch, 13, 14, and 15 in the same stitch, 16, 17, and 18 in the same stitch. Okay, now you want to go from half double crochets to doubles. So you do 1 double crochet in the next stitch by itself, and then 2 double crochets in the next one, 1 and 2. In this next stitch you want to add a treble crochet, so yarn over twice, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, so 1 in that stitch, 2 treble crochets in the next one. So yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, so in the next one, 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitch 2 double crochet. Right, and this next stitch 1 half double crochet, and in this very last one 2 half double crochets, 1, 2. Okay, and then just slip stitch to the top of this chain 2 space, chain 1, okay, so cut the yarn, you just want to hide these tails in the back, so along these half double crochets and just along here. Alright, I'll just do that. Okay, so once you've made your 6 eggs and 6 bunnies, this is how I do all of my buntings. So I leave a long-ish tail, slip knot, and I just chain 30 to start with. So I chain 30, and then I add 1, and then I chain 20, and I add the next one, 20. So it's 30 on each end and 20 in between each one. So to add these, so I chain 30, and I go to the top where the treble crochets are. This is the center one. Push my hook through, pull the yarn through, and that's it. I'll show you again. Okay, so I chain 30 to start with, add 1, pull the yarn through the egg and through the loop, and chain. Right, so yep, so I have my long tail, chain 30, add 1, chain 20, add 1, chain 20, add 1, 20, until I get to the end. I do another 30 and a long tail, so when you hang them you can just make a slip knot and hang it on a hook, and then it's easy to come undone and do it again somewhere else. Right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.